Today we're making homemade beef ring bologna, stuffed into thick snack sticks and smoked low and slow on the Traeger. These beef sticks are made with 100% beef and shaped into 2 to 3 inch round bologna sticks. They're perfect for slicing and snacking. We're starting with 5 pounds of ground beef, adding cold water, tender quick, garlic powder, onion powder, ground mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and Montreal steak seasoning. Mix this by hand until it becomes tacky and sticky. That texture is exactly what you want. Run the mixture through the grinder once and then refrigerate it for 24 hours so the cure and seasoning fully develop.
Now we're going to run it through the grinder a second time with a finer plate. It definitely helps to keep the meat almost frozen, very cold.
After resting overnight, we stuff the mixture into casings to make these thick ring-style bologna sticks. They're easier to smoke and they are perfect for snacking. It definitely helps to have 2 people to do this step. We're inserting the thermometer into the end while we stuff so we don't have to poke a hole in the casing later and lose any of those juices. We have the Traeger set at 225 degrees, and these smoke until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Look at that, smoked to perfection. If you've never made bologna at home, this is a great place to start. We're hanging ours outside to chill, but you can easily chill them in the fridge. Thick, homemade beef bologna, perfect for snacking or even frying up in a pan. I hope we showed you how doable this is. The full recipe is on therecipepool.com.
That's good.
That's ridiculous.